guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this twist out look. So if you want to learn the step-by-step process, continue watching the video and I will show you the way. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the family, and click the notification bell and the subscribe button to stay updated with all my videos. And yeah, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is very messy and dirty, so I'm going to take you through my wash day routine. The first thing I like to do when I start washing my hair is to separate it. So using this wide tooth comb, I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections. So I've left this part of my hair out because it's going to be the first section that I'm going to wash in the shower. I'm going to finger detangle it as well as go through it with my wide tooth comb. So now that my hair is washed, I feel so much better. And as you can see, the texture of my hair is different in various places. This is because my hair is still transitioning. However, at the back of my hair, you can see that the curls are pretty strong because those are the areas that I did not relax in the past. I more so relaxed the front and the back of my hair for any leave out when I do extensions. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to be using the Maui Heat Protector Spritz, which is really good if you do want to prevent heat damage in your hair. So this is my hair blow dried. The reason why it's in an afro is because I use a very low heat blow dryer settings, so it would be less damage to my hair. And now I'm going to style. Because my hair is quite thick, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections so it's easier to style. So I'm going to use this small section of my hair at the bottom to begin my twists, and take the rest of my hair and clip it up so it doesn't get in the way. So now that my hair has been separated into the smaller section, I'm going to be applying the products. So I use water, Cantu coconut curling cream, and also carrot tea tree oil. Everything will be in the description box below. So now I'm going to spray some water into this section of my hair. This is to support the Cantu curling cream to actually work in its full effect. If you notice that the water is spraying everywhere, you can also spray it into your hand and then apply it to your hair. Now I'm going in with my carrot tea tree oil treatment. This is to add moisture and shine to the curls. I've noticed that when you moisturize your hair properly, the curls last longer and it looks much better. Now I'm going to go in with my Cantu curling cream and apply it to my hair, focusing mainly on the ends of my hair as this is usually the section that tends to get more bushier, and then applying it to the rest of my hair. Now all the products are in my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and curl. So I split the hair into 2 sections and twist as normal. using the 2-strand twist method. When I get to the ends of my hair, I like to twist the ends of my hair around my finger so it curls really nicely. I've noticed that this is actually a very important step to get the best curls. And again, I'm just going to separate my hair into a smaller section and begin the twisting process. So now working on this section, I'm going to apply my water to my hair, making sure that my hair is damp enough but not too damp, just enough for the product to absorb in my hair. Adding my carrot oil, and then also adding the Cantu product, focusing on the ends of my hair. It's really important that you get it into your hair properly, that it's nicely absorbed. What I've noticed with twist outs is that if you do a blowout twist out and you add water, the less water that you add, you do get a more thick look. So if that's what you're going for, then great. You don't have to add much water to your hair. And as you can see, the ends are gonna look really cute. I just want to mention that if you notice any white residue on your hair, just note that it will fade. It's just the Cantu curling cream, but once it dries, it literally fades away, so you don't see it at all. Now the section is all done. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest off camera, but as you can see, it is nice and curly, and yeah, so we're just going to finish the rest of the hair. My hair is all done and I'm really happy about it, especially the definition of the twist. So as you can see guys, it's actually really soft and it shrunk a little bit only because it had a little bit of water, but it's really soft and very moistured. So you can actually go out like this, like you can probably style it like that. Sometimes I tie it all up like this. And you can have maybe one down at the front or something to give a different look. But today I'm just gonna, actually I think I'm just gonna leave it out like this. And what I'll do is just put 2 behind my head and get a hairband and probably tie it like this. And what I'm gonna do is leave it like this until Good Friday, because this Friday is Good Friday and I wanna kind of have a really defined curl look. So I'm gonna leave it in, and yeah, so on Friday I will update you on the twist out. So I've gone ahead and styled it like this. So pretty much use the hairband at the back to tie it together, and I'm just gonna go like this, and you can rock this style for as long as you want. It is super flexible, and just like you can change it around however you like to suit you and your needs. I think it looks pretty classy. I think it's also very chic and different, and not many people have this style, so you're gonna be a trendsetter. But anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. For now, bye.